Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Today's video, it'll be snaring rabbits. We're gonna go up here and set some rabbit snares. Hopefully we get some. If you haven't subscribed to Outdoors with Mike, please do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Helps the channel grow. Thank you. We'll head up here and set some rabbit snares. I got Jim Judd here and Alan Willis with me. Hello, Jim.
Hello.
You'll go set some snares, eh?
I will set some snares.
Where are you originally from?
I'm originally from Fort Vermilion.
Oh, nice. And you, Alan? Where are you originally from?
Fort Resolution.
Yeah? Oh.
WT.
Yeah? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You ready for checking out some snares?
Oh, for sure. If we don't get no snares, we got to go get some fish.
Oh, yeah. It sounds good. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna head up there and up here, folks. There's a cut line right here. We'll check for some rabbits through here, and we'll go this way.
Not too bad.
Okay, Alan's leading the way, breaking trail.
Come on, guys. There's link tracks.
Right here, we're walking through here, folks. We see some link tracks here. Yeah. There's some tracks. We're gonna continue on walking. Alrighty. We got a rabbit track here, folks. Check it out. Right here. See right there. Oh, sorry. Right there. We'll put a thread in there, snare. Here, Alan.
Your snare, Mike.
Get it done.
Try not to mark the area up. Here, there, folks, look, that's how you do it if you had to do your own snares. Rabbit and bacon sounds good.
Rabbit and bacon. Don't worry about the chicken, but just rabbit and bacon.
Yeah. Okay, right there. We'll try to get it. Right there, look. Right there. See that?
Yeah.
Make it up right there. There's a little lint on there. Okay, I'm gonna...
How do you get lint in the bush?
From my glove.
From my glove. Oh, yeah. Blame it on the glove. You rabbit there, yeah. Even before we grabbed it, yeah. Yeah. We'll always have fun in the bush with Mike. Oh, it died.
No, it didn't?
Yeah.
No, just leave it. It's good.
It shut off. It,
It
went
does
red.
that. But it's still on.
Okay. I can see
This
myself.
might catch one here.
Big one, eh?
There. See, Alan? Just tap on it like this.
I know.
Right there, folks. Right there, got my snare. Right in there. Looks like a good spot. We'll get rid of this stick here. There. Right in there. Alright, there's Alan. Jim, we're gonna continue that way. Alright, we'll head that way. Another rabbit here, folks. Jim's gonna set his snare right in there. Yeah. It's a beautiful out. Here's we just came from the road. Right there's the road. And right there's a dugout where they got some dirt for the road highway. There's our other snare right there. Jim got one there. Oh yeah. Got his snare in.
Oh, look, there's one
Nice. Oh yeah.
here. No, an old snare.
Oh yeah. You gotta pull it aside. Pull it out. Yeah. No, just stretch it out. Yeah, yeah, like that.
Oh,
Yeah,
I mean like this?
yeah,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. That's an old one. That's how you do it. You put them away like that. And you have it next time. You have it ready. You can sit down too, Jim.
Yeah.
Sit down again.
Okay.
Oh yeah. You can sit down right in there. And over here is the cut line. Step aside, Alan. Oh, come over here quick. Right here, folks, we're gonna check down here. Right there. The dugout over here. Maybe we'll check right in here. See if there's rabbits. Then we'll go down over here. Yeah, snaring rabbits. All right. Back into this side. Jim setting the other snare. Jim Judd from Fort Vermilion, Alberta. Scotty's number 2.
No.
Oh, right on. Yeah. Good to go. He's fast. Alan, break trail ahead.
Oh,
Okay, let's get a stick for another rabbit snare. Are you from Fort Resolution, Alan?
Oh no, wasn't me.
Here, look.
Yeah, look.
It's good to give it a natural look.
Yeah.
Got a little. We'll put our snare in there. Okay, come over here, Alan. We'll put a snare. I go around like this. You can go like this, then around like this.
no martin around here?
There's martin here and there.
Yeah.
Muskeg, they mostly hang around. Yeah. Lots of muskeg back there. There's lots of martin. I wanted to go set some. Check the depth of the snow. Drop it twice. Spin it around. Nice and.
You ever seen those the rabbit snare people used to set years ago?
Oh,
With
yeah,
a string,
yeah,
and then they pop up,
yeah.
and then the rabbit will be
Oh, yeah.
hanging there.
I wanted to do. Wanted to.
I don't know how I used to watch my grandmother do
Yeah.
that.
I want to
Never-
get that
she
before
never
that's
taught me
lost.
how to set it
That'll
in.
be educational.
Yeah, that would be
Ah.
nice to know.
Yeah.
So
There,
Put
folks.
in.
Yeah. There.
I'll go.
All educational stuff if you wanted to set snares, folks. And it's very tasty and tastes good. Let's check over here.
Jason. We come from over there. That way.
Set one right there too. Look. Right there, folks, is a good rabbit snare spot. Right under there. Put one right there under that tree. We're continuing on this cut line. We'll get the snare set up. Here, Alan. We'll get that one up. Here, film me. Show them. Educational. I got my snares, my wire. I got one measured here already to cut to length, and I measure there, and then cut it here. You could do this too if you wanted to. Makes it rounder. Then you do your loop, then you tighten it. Lots of times where rabbit don't get off. You set your depth, then you put 2 wraps around, and then you tighten it good like that. You bring water. Yeah, right here, look. Right there, look. Oh, get it nice in there. Yeah, right here, Alan. Come close here. Yeah. Right there. Put the snare right there. Right there should be good. Yeah. It's approved by Jim. He says it's good. Yeah. Yeah. We're having fun. We're gonna go come down here. Have more fun. Check it out. Jim's gonna do one here. I'm gonna go up the trail. Check for another snare. What do you think about the rabbits here, Jim? There's lots?
Seems like there's some rabbits, yeah.
Yeah, some.
There is rabbits. A lot of rabbit sign.
Yeah, here. You sit down. I'll go up there and check for another one.
Michael's still waiting for the rabbit, but yeah.
Film over here, Alan.
I'm doing whatever.
Over there.
What's your knife?
Just look. Pretend we're setting. I'll set it over later.
Yeah.
After that, you'll. There, Jim's getting his snaring. Looks good.
Okay.
Okay.
Should be good there.